This can be really frustrating. You're in text messaging and you deleted a text message and you're like, oh my golly, I didn't want to delete that text message. It's not the end of the world. I'm going to show you how to get it back on your iPhone. Now, before I show you how to do this, please do me a favor, subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, just comment and ask me a question. So in messaging, just click the three lines in the upper right-hand corner right there, and then click on recently deleted. And you can see that all the messages that I deleted today will eventually get deleted completely in 30 days. However, I can select the ones I want to get back, and then I can hit the word recover and recover those two messages. And now when I click the three lines up top, go back to messages, I got them all back. Don't fret. In iPhone messages, just click the three lines, go to recently deleted, and recover them. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risk and fears of using technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.